Hi, everyone. This is Keating with PDS Energy. Today, I'm going to be talking to Todd McManus. He's a user on our Frac interference exchange site, also known as our FracX. Our FracX is available for operators to share their upcoming and current frac schedules. Our frac site is available at no cost, but it does require reciprocity. We currently have over 100 different operators using our site and over 500 users. We are in the Permian, Eagle Ford, Austin Chalk, Haynesville, and our most recent addition is Utica Shale. Today, we're going to talk a little bit about our FracX site. Todd has been a user for a couple of years now. Todd, to start out with, can you tell us a little bit about how long you've been in the oil and gas industry and how you use FracX in your job on a day-to-day basis?
Well, Katie, being from South Louisiana, I've been in oil and gas for all my life. So from high school to where I am now, I've worked in upstream, midstream, downstream. So I've worked in all gambits of the industry. And the way I use FracX now is for offset operator frac mitigation. So I kind of watch all of the other operators in the Midland Basin and let our engineering staff know who's fracking near our horizontal and vertical wells.
Great. So can you tell us a little bit about before FracX, how were you and other operators distributing your schedules?
Yeah, early on, it started off just as a email and phone call type deal where everybody communicated. And then an engineer at where I used to work, who I used to work with, he started putting different operators' names together and started reaching out and to see if they would be interested in creating some type of group where we all communicated. And then the tool, early along the tool, we started developing the tool and using the tool. And then eventually the tool was handed off to a PDS and FracX has become a very valuable and usable tool today compared to when we first started, probably closer to 3 years ago.
Yeah, it's been a while. So what issues did you have before when it was just email distribution and phone calls?
We noticed wells were getting missed, that there was frac activity going along near some of our wells. We noticed that we weren't getting notified. We were having to be told by the field that there were frac crews in the immediate area of our wells. And that's early along when communication via phone and emails was important. So we noticed wells weren't getting prepped with frac activity near our well bores, and it's not good for a well bore integrity when those things happen.
Yep, that makes total sense. So what would you say is your favorite thing about FracX?
Well, as I've gotten used to FracX and using it over the past couple of years, I like the fact that it's a very good communication tool. So I see all the changes and then I link our engineers with other operators, engineers, and operations personnel, and they can communicate directly instead of having to wait on me to tell them that a frac schedule has moved up or pushed back. So I'll send them the initial frac schedule dates with contact information, and they build relationships and communicate. I find that has been very valuable.
So it makes communication better.
It does. Between different operators, I mean, you always want to know what's going on around your well. So I've noticed a lot of our engineers are reaching out to other operators, engineers, and operations folks as well.
Good. Okay, so last question, not to put you on the spot, but how is it working with the PDS team?
It's been great working with you guys. You have updated and enhanced and added things as we've requested over the past couple of years, and you guys' customer support is top notch. Anytime I had a question or an issue or an idea, you guys always reach out to us, and I just pick up the phone and call you or Summer. So it's been really great.
Good answer. Okay, I'm going to put my contact on the screen. If you are interested in getting a login or for more information, feel free to reach out. Todd, thank you. Thank you so much for today. I really, really appreciate it.